What is an air pistol? An air pistol is a type of handgun that utilizes compressed air or gas to propel projectiles, usually small pellets or BBs, at a target. It is a non-lethal firearm designed primarily for recreational shooting, training, and target practice. Unlike conventional firearms that employ gunpowder to launch bullets, air pistols operate on the principle of pneumatics or gas propulsion. There are several types of air pistols available in the market. Spring piston air pistols use a coiled spring and a piston to compress air, while CO2 air pistols rely on disposable CO2 cartridges for propulsion. Pre-charged pneumatic, PCP, air pistols are more advanced, featuring an internal air reservoir that requires pre-filling with compressed air from a hand pump or tank. Air pistols come in various styles and power levels, catering to shooters of different skill levels and preferences. They are often used for plinking, informal target shooting, competitive shooting events, and even some pest control applications in certain regions. One of the significant advantages of air pistols is their relatively low noise level and minimal recoil, making them ideal for beginners and those seeking a less intimidating shooting experience. Additionally, they are generally more affordable to shoot due to the lower cost of ammunition compared to traditional firearms. However, it's crucial to handle air pistols responsibly and with proper safety measures. Despite being non-lethal, they can still cause injury if misused or mishandled. Adherence to local laws and regulations regarding the possession and use of air pistols is essential to ensure safe and enjoyable shooting activities.